Hey, what's up everybody? It's Amaya. So today's video is going to be my IPSY versus Birchbox epic makeup battle of June 2018. So I did not get the chance to upload an IPSY versus Birchbox last month because they both came super late and I was so busy. There was literally no time, like at all. So I was not able to get up my IPSY and Birchbox for last month, but I am going to be for this month. Also, if you have not already, check out my social medias on the side right here. I have my Instagram and my Twitter, and all my other social medias will be linked in the description bar. So yeah, without further ado, let's hop in the video. Okay, so we're going to start with IPSY this month. This is what the bag looks like, and I have to say I'm rather unimpressed by this. I know that's gonna sound bad, but I just feel like it's kind of plain, and I don't really get the theme. Like, it's pretty, it's a pretty bag, but I feel like something about it's just kind of weird, you know? I don't know. So we have a little card in here that says the theme is flying colors. So yeah, there's a little description on the back. It's talking about Pride Month and how IPSY's involved in that. It seems really awesome, but it's very long, so I'm not going to read all that. And because it has that on it, I'm going to just place it back here as opposed to throwing it because I feel like that would be a little mean. I'm just gonna place it back here. I'll read it later. Okay, so the first thing that I see in here is the MAC Prep and Prime Skin. This is a primer, I think. Again, IPSY doesn't put cards that have descriptions of the product in their bags, which is kind of annoying. But it's this little sample right here, and it just comes out like a white liquid. Almost feels like a moisturizer, but it feels a little bit, it doesn't really smell like anything. It feels very smoothing. Oh my god, that feels so smooth on my hand. Oh, I love that. And it almost feels a tiny bit tacky, but not too much. So I think this is like a primer. I feel like this would be really nice all over the face to just smooth everything out. It doesn't seem like it's going to be pore filling or anything, but really just smoothing. So I'm excited to try this out. I haven't really heard anything about it, but I love my Fix Plus and I love my MAC Strobe Cream as well. So I'm hoping this is going to be good as well. Then I have this K-Voss NYC Macaroon Lip Balm. This is what it looks like. This is a pretty big size for a lip balm. It doesn't really have too much of a smell. It just kind of has a, I don't know, like a lip balm smell. Put some on the back of my hand. It feels very creamy, very smooth. Yeah, it just kind of has like a lip balm smell. Almost like a menthol-y smell, but it feels very nice. It doesn't feel like too sticky or anything. I do like that it comes in a jar like this. I feel like this is really easy to just kind of put all over your lips. You don't have to squeeze anything out or use an applicator. It's kind of mindless. And it's really cute. I love the size of this as well. So I'm really excited to try this out. I am very picky with my lip balms because I do have a slight beeswax sensitivity. For those of you that don't know, I do have a sensitivity to beeswax. So depending on the lip balm, I can sometimes use them and sometimes I can't. Sometimes they really dry out my lips. So hopefully this one will work because it seems really nice. Okay, the next thing I see in here is this Finding Ferdinand Au Naturel lipstick. This is their mini lipstick and it's in the shade Au Naturel. So this is like a little tiny guy. Okay, so it comes in this clear packaging like this, which I'm not a huge fan of. I think it looks very cheap, but whatever. And it has a little logo of the brand right inside there like that. This is how much product you get, which I feel like is a fairly decent amount for a lipstick this size. I mean, when was the last time you actually went through an entire lipstick? You know what I'm saying? So I don't mind lipsticks in little tiny size. Also, I feel like they're easier to apply. So this is like a very creamy formula. That's the shade right there. I'll do another swatch over here. As you can see, it's definitely creamy. Doesn't really have too much of a scent. It's a very pretty, like, dusty, pinky nude. Very pretty. Looks gorgeous. Oh, I just ruined the logo. I'm kind of sad. So this looks like something that I really might like, and I don't feel like I have many colors like this, so that's exciting. Okay, next thing in the bag is this Hey Honey Come Clean Propolis and Mineral Facial Scrub. I am really excited about this. I love exfoliators. I love using them in the shower especially. So it comes out like a white, sort of granular. Ooh, it feels very nice. Definitely you have some like bigger granules in there along with some smaller ones. It smells really good, and it also feels really nice. I feel like this is going to be really good. It says that it's a rich, deep cleaning formula that purifies and resurfaces skin to reveal a smooth, radiant texture, and it is a salt scrub. That's what it feels like. So yeah, I'm super excited to try this. Like I said, I love exfoliators. I love using them especially around my nose area to get out all those blackheads and all that dirt and stuff like that. So looking forward to trying this out. And then the last thing I have is this Kaleido Cosmetics Skin Blush. This is also cruelty-free. It's certified vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free, which is really awesome. I know some people with gluten allergies can't even use gluten products on their face, so that's really nice. I love the packaging. It's very simple. It's white with this little logo right here. I think it's beautiful. That is a very interesting color. I was not expecting that. This just says skin blush on the back. So it's kind of like a peachy golden color. Do you guys see that duochrome? I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but do you see that duochrome? It's like a coppery gold with like a little bit of pink. That is so cool. I love that. It's very smooth, very creamy, very buttery. That's it right there. Honestly, this does not look like a blush color to me. This looks almost like a really dark highlight. I'm going to compare it to my Wet n Wild blush in Hummingbird Hype, which looks very similar. As you can see, they are quite similar. However, Hummingbird Hype has a little bit more peach to it, which makes it a little bit more of a blush color, whereas this is strictly like gold. I'm interested to see how this is going to look as a blush topper because it is so golden, but maybe it'll look really pretty. Don't knock it till you try it. So that is it for my IPSY this month. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to have to go with an 8, I think. I didn't hate any of the products in here, but everything is very small and there's nothing that's like jumping out to me like, oh my god, this is amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna give this guy an 8. It wasn't bad, but it also wasn't amazing. So I feel like 8's pretty fair. Okay, moving on to Birchbox. This is the box. We have all these little people in this little beach scene right here. Super adorable. And then this is blue like the water. Oh my god, there's like little people right there. That's so cute. It says warm weather pleasures. It says June 21st is the summer solstice. Make the most of the longest day of the year and the season with the summer bucket list starters. So it has like all these little things to put on your summer bucket list, like wear bright lipstick, feel the sand, try a fishtail braid, nap on a hammock, go strawberry picking, all sorts of stuff like that, which I think is really cute. Like that's such a fun thing to do, like a summer bucket list. So the first thing I have is this Toka Eau de Parfum in Maya. Oh my god, my name's Maya. Well, Amaya, but you know. This is the Maya perfume, and it says it's a fruity floral fragrance that exudes confidence and femininity. It features a blend of sweet violet leaf and black currant, plus rose, damascena, jasmine, and sandalwood. Oh, it definitely is very floral, very fruity. I actually really like that. It's not too much. It's like not super light and fresh, but it's definitely light and fresh enough to be a daytime perfume. I really like it. I think it smells really good, which makes me really excited. Also, my favorite color is purple. It's called Maya, and it's purple. Oh my god, this makes me so happy. Next, I have this Tiger Grass cream from Dr. Jart. This healing, calming, and deeply hydrating cream treats redness, blemishes, inflammation, and other irritations. Full size of this is $48, which is pretty expensive, so. Just kind of smells like a cream. Kind of has that menthol-y smell as well. Feels very, very smooth though, not tacky or anything. Yeah, this seems really good. I feel like this would be great for sunburn or like super, super dry skin, or if you have like a pimple or something. I feel like this would be the product that you would use. So I think it's kind of cool. I feel like we haven't really gotten many like almost like topical products like this. I think it's kind of cool. Next we have this R&Co Television Perfect Hair Shampoo and Perfect Hair Conditioner. They come in these little packets. I hate these little packets. They're so annoying. I don't know, they're just hard. You can't really save them if you use like not enough. I don't know. Nah. Okay, then we have this Ico London That's Where I Draw the Line eyeliner. This is what it looks like. It's a pen eyeliner. Oh, hello. That is black. Dang, girl. It's black. Yeah, I have not used a pen eyeliner in freaking forever. I've been so into liquid like brush tip liners, and now I have my cream eyeliner from Pretty Vulgar that I got in my last BoxyCharm, so I've been using that. And honestly, I need to get back into using pen liners. I just don't have any right now because all of mine dried out or I used them up. So this is going to be really cool. Look at that. It dried completely matte. And it is not smudging. I mean, it's smudging a little bit, but like barely. Okay, next I have this glow cream, I think it's called. Botanique Beauty, excuse me. It says it's a pearly pink hydrating cream. Oh, okay. Wow, you're literally like a shimmery cream. That looks like the Cover FX highlighting drops. Do you guys see that? That's literally... that. Okay, that's literally like a metallic purple highlighter. Oh, okay. Wow. I'm just not sure how it's gonna look. Is that gonna look like icy on your face, like kind of ashy? I don't know, we'll find out, right? Last thing we have in here is one of these little tiny Peak Beauty things, and I hate these little things because they're so tiny. And it is their Metallamatte Naturally Quick Drying Blush. This is what it looks like in the shade Abu. It's a cream blush that has a subtle hint of shimmer. Oh, it looks very similar to like a NARS Orgasm or something like that. It's kind of that pinky peach with like a gold duochrome. I've been really into these shades lately, so I feel like this is going to be something that I might actually use. It's just so hard because this is so itty bitty. It gets lost in my drawer. But yeah, this seems actually kind of nice. It seems not too thick. It seems kind of sheer, which I like. So yeah, I'm going to try this out. But again, it's so literally the size of my eye. Literally the size of my eye. Okay, so that is it for my Birchbox this month. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to have to give it an 8.5. I think it wins. I'm just really excited about all these products. I love the glow serum, and the eyeliner seems amazing. I like the blush. They put a perfume in there that's my name. Like, how do I not make it win? Seriously. So Birchbox, you win this month. Only by half a point, but you still win. That counts. So that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys like it. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know what you thought in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.